In this video, we'll be doing a couple miscellaneous things, like cutting wheel studs on the Corvette, and then getting cutlass engine build stuff, like a hone, some bearings, some other bearings, another hone, and then piston ring filing stuff, so we can actually get started on the motor for the Cutlass. So that's the plans for today, but we're going to start with cutting stuff on the 85. Got my big goofy glasses. Once again, knowing my luck, you know, I'm cutting these without glasses or whatever, and I just shoot a big old chunk of something right in my eyes. Then I'll have to see if Paige will stay with me with an eye patch. I think she would, but... Absolutely mint. Sweet. Now we can put the wheels on. I think there's one way to make sure that the wheels stay on under hard driving. Well, they're gonna stay. All right, well, Paige is on her way home, and then we're gonna go get some Cutlass stuff. It's gonna be great. Open some windows. And the Cutlass stuff involves this and the rebuild. Also, this guy seems super cool. My brother tagged me in a post that he made, but he made it on the C3 Corvette Facebook page. And I already was a part of that. So, good news. You know, that's good stuff. Man, I love this car. Okay, calm down, Casey. Parts. Parts, 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 parts. Whew. Here we go. An hour and 20 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry. We'll get coffee.
That's why I'm here.
It's fun. That's part of like the whole point of living out in the middle of the woods. So I'll tell you guys about what we are getting once we get there. But I might be able to sneak a few clips here and there, ask the guy if I can, because he too is a Corvette guy. So we'll see how that goes, but sweet. Yay.
Yay.
Road trip. All right, so we got the goods. We got all the goods. That guy was super cool. He had a really cool C3 Corvette, and he was putting together a really nice small block Chevy for it. I feel like we're a lot alike. Like the kind of research that he was doing for his motor and the research that I was doing for my motor, very similar. Just super cool guy, super nice guy. Pretty ingenuitive with some of the stuff that some of the tools I'll show you guys once we get back to the garage. But yeah, got the stuff, really good deal. It means we're gonna be able to get the Cutlass back on the road sooner than predicted, and I'm beyond stoked. So I will catch up with you guys in a few moments. Fade into the sunset. I think once I start getting money and stuff, yeah, because the battery life on this sucks. I wandered around for a little bit and kind of helped him, threw him some tools and stuff, and he was done before I even, you know. And then go for a cruise and give thoughts. You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get torque wrench.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts.
Yeah.
Cool. Go for a cruise and give thoughts. You think? Cool.
Put the torque wrench.
And then give thoughts. You think?
Put the wheels back on and get torque wrench.
You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts. You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get torque wrench.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts. You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get torque wrench.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts. You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get torque wrench.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts. You think?
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go. You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
And then go for a cruise and give thoughts? You think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put the wheels back on and get the torque wrench out.
A hone. Little dingle ball hone. So, with that being said, that is all the stuff that I procured today for the Cutlass engine build, and I'm stoked. That saved me so much money. Now I can probably get the connecting rod balancer like I wanted to. This is going to move us right along a lot faster. I'm going to start cleaning the block here pretty soon, and then, you know, collect the rest of the parts that I need, and we'll be actually rolling on this. So I'm super stoked. Once again, if you guys have stayed this long, I appreciate it so much, and thank you so much for watching. And look forward to more Cutlass content and probably some more 85 Corvette content. I forgot how much I love driving this thing like an idiot. So this thing's going to get love next because the crazy blow-by, which will also boom, 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 boom. All those things will be used as well. So thank you guys very much, and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm trying to upload every Wednesday and Saturday. Also, if you want to see my uploads, hit the little bell icon thing, wherever that may be. And then actually, if you want, you can look at this video or this playlist, or you can subscribe right here. I hope I did that right. Okay. Thanks, guys. Peace.